Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin. This is my first time making stream like that. Making content in YouTube, so this is kind of exciting for me. And let me explain a little bit about what we are going to create. Okay, in this Laravel project, this is a flat Laravel project, so just install it from Laravel Breeze and stuff. Okay, the project is kind of Telegram bot, In this Telegram bot, we are going to create some robots in Telegram which have three duties. The first one is to accept the content we've given to the bot and share it into the channel, share into the connected channel. And then share the same content in the website using APIs. And third, share those content into LinkedIn website. Yeah, the famous one. And since we are going to use, having experience with APIs and tokens, of course, there is some token in LinkedIn, so we are gonna find out. This is gonna be a really cool video. I really wanted to make it a stream, live on YouTube and Twitch, but since there is no viewer or follower, there are not gonna be anyone to watch my videos. So I just decided to make it offline, just recording and sharing in YouTube. All right, let's begin. For first, I just create a Laravel project. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. I'm going to upload the project in cPanel, which is kind of easy, but it's going to be really super fun when we share our data, our project in cloud and see the result online in Telegram bot. All right, let's start. Okay, guys, I just discovered a package for Telegram, and this package is super cool. Let me show it to you. The name is Telegraph. It's super cool. As you can see, when you create your Telegram robot, you can easily send a message exactly the way you see it. You can easily pass the string as a message, and you can have a keyboard. Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about, exactly these items, they called keyboard. And you can create button, stuff like that, and just send it. You have a lot of things to do in robot, such as edit message or send it, or maybe having, I forget the name. The name was Webhooks. Yeah, the Webhooks, one of the important things which we are going to start with this one. All right, fellas, let's start. For first step, if you go and create a bot, you will see you need to send a message to this Telegram bot, which name is bot fodder. If you want to create some Telegram bot, you definitely need to start and creating that bot from this bot, Telegram bot fodder actually. Okay, we already sent a message to this bot, and for a start, we just need to add this command, new bot. It asks for our name for this bot, so we are going to give it a name. For example, I already choose the name. It's cool. Share my content bot, okay? Share my content. Share my content, okay? This is the name. And for username for your bot, there is something here which you can see. The end of your name must be bot or underline bot, okay? Underscore bot. So we are going to call it share my content bot, okay? That's easy. We created. I just copied a token and go for the rest of the steps. The next step is to add the bot in Telegram, okay? But there is a little thing I need to tell you. Since we are going to create this share my content bot so fast, and we are gonna refactor it, make it much better later, I just want to give you the way, show you the way how you can create your bot. And that's why I'm going to go fast, okay? I'm not gonna stop for create the bot in local and maintain it and then upload it, okay? We are going straight for upload the project and see the result. So I guess this is gonna be cool for you guys if you want to start fast, okay? Super fast, you know, have you seen that videos on YouTube? Okay, in here it's tell us you can create your new bot just like that, pass the token to the bot and set a name for it. And if you want to add this bot a chat ID or something, you can pass it here, or maybe Webhook. By the way, if you don't want to create it using the artisan command, you can directly create it using the model of Telegram bot, which is super simple. It will create just a record in your database. Okay guys, stop talking, let's start coding. Okay, so all we need to just compose a require blah 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 and we can pass it here, okay? But as I told you, we are going to upload our project directly and test it in server side, okay? So for that, I have a simple way to do it. Instead of add all of my files into some zip file and then upload the zip file and then extract it, I found out there is a much easier way. You can only share your project in GitHub or any Git repository you want, and then just clone it there, okay? I'm just gonna call it a Telegram share bot, that's fine, and share. Alright, the commit is initial commit, that's fine. Let's add them to a stage and I guess it's ready for push. Okay, oh, it's pushed automatically, that's fine. Okay, since it's going to upload the data in GitHub, let's create a subdomain for our domain which hosted in cPanel, okay? So I just opened the cPanel, this is my files. And then in cPanel, we can super easily create a domain, okay? In domain, we create a new one. Sorry for my slow internet, it's embarrassing, but what can I do? Alright. Since it's struggling to come, we create a new one and name it share.bbjs, which is my domain. I know it's slowly, but it's short. And create the subdomain. It's created, alright, so let's go in terminal, okay? In terminal, we're going to just clone it from GitHub and then just run composer install command, okay? So just check here, okay, everything is fine. If I click here, yeah, it's directly open it, that's fine, thank you PHP Storm. And in here, we just need to git clone. Oh, sorry, we need to go in folder, cd share, okay? Now git clone and paste the data here. Where is the shift insert? That's fine, and clone it successfully. And if you go there, I don't know how can I write move command in terminal, so okie dokie. And in here, we just need to move the files one folder, what should I call it? One forward back, you know? Okay, in bbjs folder, I mean share bbjs folder, we select all of them. Oh, here's the thing guys, in here, oh no, okay, everything is fine. I just need to tell you something. In cPanel, you need to show hidden files, okay? Sometimes it's gotta be tricky. Okay, select all of them and move one folder back. Move them, and when everything is fine, we go here, see everything is fine, yep. And the composer, oh, before that we need copy the .env file, okay? So we cp.env Come on. Why it's not showing me any hints? Oh, there is no folder such thing. cp.env blah blah .env. Okay. Everything is fine. Now composer install. Whoa, that's fast. Okay, so now let me check my .env file. I'm just going to use SQLite because it's super easy to use. So all I need to reload the files and view the .env file. See, everything is fine. Where is the database? Yeah, SQLite. And all we need to PHP artisan migrate. Piece of cake. All right. I guess we forgot something in domain. All we need to manage it, and instead of here, we should open the public folder. Like, yeah, update it. How can I test? Should I just hit the back button? Share.bb.js, HTTPS. Yeah, everything is fine since. Okay, the rest of it is the npm, I guess. Sure. npm install. That's passed. npm run build. That's faster. Okay. Okay. What did we forget? Oh, the keys, guys. Okay, PHP artisan make. Oh, just key generate, I guess. So just gonna write key, and it says, "Did you mean key generate?" Yes, of course. Okay, and then refresh. Nice. All right. What's the next step? The next one is just install the composer. I mean, the Telegraph. Guys, since I'm going to just show you how this package works and making some results, okay? That's why I'm not going to write them in my local, test it, commit it, and then upload, okay? I'm just going fast, you know? That's why I'm going to do that. Okay, shift insert, install. Everything is fine. Now next is just publish the config files. Okie dokie. Shift insert. Done. What is the next? And then migrate the files. And what's next? Next one is create the configuration files. Okay. Migrate, right? Nice and nicer. Okay. Guys, there is something else. If I still have it, let me see. I don't. Okay, better. I'm going to connect my PHP store FTP files so I can directly upload any files I want. So I guess two things remain. I need to install those items in my local too, because I just want to push and pull data fast. So I'm going to install the package here as well. Since it's going to be installed, we're going to connect our FTP file, okay? We're going to name it FTP. Oh guys, there is something else. I forget to start the music. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I will add it later. FTP file here. Well, it's like that. Yeah, FTP. And the host is bbjs.ir. Okay, since I have set them, we need to create the deploy path, which is, come on boy, the share bbjs, yeah. Add it, and everything seems fine. Okay. Okay, I need to do the publish things. And what's next? Blah 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 blah. This one, and I guess migrate. Okay, just be artisan migrate. Migrate. Okay, everything seems fine. Next one is to add the Telegram bot. Okay, I will explain this config file later. So we go down here, create a new bot, which we did, and add the bot to Telegraph. Okay, this is the command, artisan command, blah blah blah. Or you can instead of that, you can use the model itself. I will explain. So okay, let's go in here, get token. Okay. And in here, we go in terminal again, and let me close the other tabs. Do we have any important? Nope. Okay, in here, we just need to add it through artisan command. Shift insert. Oh, sorry. We need to copy this one instead. Shift insert. Okay, now pass the token, copy, paste, and set a name, share content, never mind the name. Do you want to add a chat? Nope. Webhook? Nope. I will explain why I said no. Okay guys, now the bot has been added to the chat. Okay. This is my username of my bot. Okay, we just need to add an @ before that and send it here. And you may click. We just hit the start, and as you can see, the bot is up and running. But how we can capture the data from our Telegram bot? This is called Webhook. Okay, in Webhook, let me open the page of Webhook. If it's explain everything as well, you can see this documentation, which is super good. Let me explain a little bit about, maybe less than 1 minute. When you send something to the bot, let's call it a request, you expect and response. Okay. When Telegram receives something, it directly get that thing you just give it to him, and compact it and pack it and send it to the URL you already give it to Telegram as a webhook. Okay, imagine I give you something and you put that thing into some bag and give it back to me. Okay, this is the way the webhook is working. If I tell you give it to another person, this is webhook URL. Okay, show it in the code. Okay, in terminal we can only use this artisan command to register our webhook, but we have a little bit problem here, which I'm going to tell you. If you use the artisan command, it will check the domain of your file, which it's not correct. 2084-83 as you can see, and it's not working fine. So for this, I'm going to use the model way to register my webhook URL. Okay. So since we created our bot and this is stored in database, we are going to create a route in web, and let's call it web register. Okay, or only R, no matter what. We are going to use it only once, only this time. Then create a function. Go there, please. Create a function, and the function is this one. Okay, that's fine, and here it is. So now I'm looking for Telegraph. Okay, which is a model. This one is exactly what I'm looking for. Dev Studio, Telegraph, model, and Telegraph bot. We are going to query and first. Okay. Yep. Alright, and this is register webhook and send it to Telegram to tell him this is my URL, okay? We're going to push it using FTP. Never ask me again, please. Did I hit the never ask me again? Nope. Okay, what did we forget? I mean, are we good here? Oh, view, not view, get. Sorry. Okay, upload that successfully. Yeah, I guess that's it. Now it's register. Okay guys, as you can see, if I hit start again, how we can know this is working? This is the time when the telescope will come into the game, okay? When something requests your server, I mean any request, post, get, delete, patch or whatever, you may not understand, I mean you may not notice, so you need some watcher, you know, something to watch your platform, watch your project for any request. This is not good for this is not good for production mode. This is only work for local mode, but in this case we are just going to test it out, okay? So we search for Laravel Telescope, which is here, and install it. This is super easy, piece of cake, and super useful. If you're familiar with that, there is nothing else to say. You are going to install it in both places. Blah 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 blah, which is going to be installed, and this one comes next. Come on. Okay, and PHP artisan migrate. Since I'm a lazy developer, I'm going to use the history. Nice. What is the next? Blah 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 blah. Okay, the next one is to register in my app service provider. Before that, let me... Oh, it's not installed yet. Okay, let's go app service provider. Didn't call this one here. And then migrate. Hey, what happened? Come on. And migration. And I guess we're good to go, yeah? Everything seems fine. Now let's upload our service provider. And there you go. What will happen if we go in Telescope URL? Nice. Seems working, but slow. Okay guys, as you can see, when you pass something to, anything, call your website, there is a lock here. If I open only the website itself, it will lock the homepage, okay? Yeah, as you can see, it's 20 status, which is working fine. And if I send something here, say hello with double O, you will see something will disappear here. Something will come here. Come on, don't disappoint me. Oh yeah, it's come, but it's so slow. Okay, as you can see, the status is 404, which is not found, and the text is a star, which shouldn't be a star, guys. Why? Okay, this is good. We're getting errors. We can figure it out together. Why do we get stars? It should be something, anything I wrote down here. For example, 80, 80, 80 must give me 80, 80, 80. Oh, it's not call. Okay, let's figure it out. Why? What is the next step? I will check. Okay, the bot has been set. The webhook has been set. Oh, yeah, I found out. There is something else about the Telegraph itself in documentation. Yeah, I know. I should explain it earlier, but here we are. If we go in here, where was it? I mean, the installation maybe. Okay, as you can see, there is 3 security things here, okay? The first one is allow callback queries from unknown chats and allow message from unknown chats. We are unknown chats, guys. If the data has been set using chat or channel, it would be registered. I mean, we could get anything. But since we are unknown chat, I mean, it might be anyone who starts the bottom, you know? So this is false. We just need to change it to true to let us to have a communicate with the bot, okay? So we go in config file and telescope no, telegraph yes, and in security part we can change them to true. Okay? Upload it directly, which I know again it's not good. Okay, uploaded successfully. Nice. Now let's back to here. That's what we get in telescope. Okay, send. Is it what we're looking for? Scroll down. I'm not sure this is what we're looking for. Let me refresh, please. Interesting. What is the problem? Yeah, this is a start. Interesting. This is not be. I mean, it shouldn't be like that. Okay, let me think. Should I write down? Oh, something happened. A new command. Oh, guys, if you can see this, it's suddenly just dropped down. You know, it seems it's on queue or something. Okay, let's open one of them. It's a start again. Okay, let me try, for example, Didi. What we got here? If I say Didi, yeah, 4 seconds ago, exactly. Oh, hello Didi. I don't know what will happen, but here we are. As you can see, every text we send to Telegram, it will redirect to us as a text, okay? For example, if I send slash lot of A's, it's give us an unknown command, which I'm going to explain that again. And if we go in request, we will get it, okay? Yeah, a lot of A's. Okay, guys, let's jump to next part. The next part is to set our custom what was the name? Webhook, okay? I mean, we want to communicate with bot with our custom way. Hold on a second, I need to check my voice again. Seems it's working fine, okay? I hope so, because when I jump in, it was empty. All right. The next step is to come here and register webhook. No. This one is about the webhook itself. In overview. Yeah, exactly. Okay, guys. We're going to create this file. It's fully customization. I mean, it's up to you to where you want to put it, okay? I'm going to create it in app, just like he did. Create, I should create here. File, webhooks, my webhook handler, okay? That's fine. And let's create a real stuff. I mean, starting things. which is class and namespace and stuff. Why my ChatGPT is not working? Oh, hello. App, HTTP, webhooks, everything is fine. Class, my webhook handler, and it should be extend. Hold on a second. We go in config file again, and in Telegraph, if we come up here, we have webhook and handler, okay? In handler, we have empty webhook handler, which has been extended from webhook handler. We are going to just copy this and paste it in our new class, okay? Yep. And let's create something. For example, I'm going to create a public function which name is hello. Okay, hold on a second. If we come back here, we can see when you create a method, the method name is exactly what you want to write down. I will explain. Maybe I cannot tell it in words, but I can tell in code, okay? If you type down, for example, call it, or maybe hello, okay, hello. The hello itself is your function name. Okay, that sounds good. All right. Now let's type something back to bot, okay? For start, let's jump back to documentation. We go in callback data, I guess. Let me check both of them. Yeah, in here. If I copy this one and paste it here, chat HTML, and just say hello developers, okay? And send. Let's upload this. Upload the config file as well. I mean, Telegraph, yep. Oh, we didn't change it. Good to know. My webhook. Okay, sounds good. Upload and upload again. Okay, hold on a second. We're uploading. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's test. If I type down the hello, what would I will get? Oh, come on, it's going to upload. Hello developers. If it's correct. Okay. As you can see, we can now communicate with the bot. For example, if we go in documentation, it's fully customization. If you can see here, handle chat message, everything you pass to this bot will go through this method. Okay, let me show you this one. Hold on a second. I want to know what is this stringable. Okay, it's come from illumination support. Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay, this is a text and receive blah blah blah. Let's upload it and test it again. Come on. Okay. Hi. I should get hi. Receive hi. As you can see, and if I type something blah blah blah, it says unknown command. There must be a no command as well here. Handle, no. Reactions. As you can see, the hi, which I already told you. No. Oh yeah. Handle unknown command. Let's copy this and paste it here. I cannot understand your command. Okay. Okie dokie, now let's test it again. And if I send something, for example, blah blah blah. Sorry, an error. Okay, this is an error. Let's see what is the error. We can go in Telescope, request, it must be 500 error, I guess. Let me check. What is this? Okay, let me upload it again and test it. Blah blah blah. Oh, everything is fine. Okay guys, this is our first part of this tutorial videos about Telegram bot, and for next video we are going to communicate with some blog website and make it much better. You know, this way it's so silly. I mean, making upload directly in database and stuff like that. They're going to make it much better. I mean, factor the code maybe a little bit and then communicate with first one is the channel. We need to share our content in the channel, and the second part we are going to upload the data in websites using APIs, which I already told you, and third part is to share the content in LinkedIn, which is the hardest part, I guess, and I don't know how should I do it. So I guess we are going to, you know, something kind of experience, you know, together. You know, I'm not sure how everything is working, so I'm just making videos and start coding with you, so you guys would know how I do code, which I know you might be better, definitely. So if you guys like it, please like my videos, and I mean support my videos. It's gonna be really good for me, because as you know, this is my first time making videos, so give me some motivate me. That might be so good. Okay guys, see you guys. Oh, too many guys, right? Okay guys, see you in next videos.